Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Google Slides. So if you want to add bullet points to your presentation in Google Slide, here is a quick tips or tutorial on how to get it done. The first thing you have to do is you have to highlight on your text so you can add bullets. So just simply highlight on the text. This is the first text, then just tap on this three-dot icon, which is the more button, and from here you can see the bullet option, which is the bullet list. Then just tap on the drop down button right in front of it, then select any of the bullet options that you want. You can also do the same thing for the remaining text. So I'm just going to do this also I'm going to repeat the same process for this one also. So I'm going to tap on the drop down button, then I'll tap on this, and that's it.